guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Ashanti. So today I want to do this tutorial for you guys. It's a really bright eye makeup look. I use Juvia's Place Zulu palette on my eyes, as well as a Too Faced Natural Eyes palette. And I've been wanting to film this for a while, so I finally had a little time to sit down and do it for you guys. I really love how it turned out. Yeah, so if you guys are interested in watching this video and seeing how I created this look, keep on watching. Hey guys, so I've already done my right eye. I've done my foundation, I've primed and did all that good stuff, but I want to do this eye off camera, so just to save time. So I'm going to get started on my left eye and create the same look over here. If y'all can see, I want to do just this really bright yellow and orange look, and I'm going to be using the Zulu palette by Juvia's Place, as well as my Too Faced Natural Eyes palette. So let's get right into it. So the first thing I'm going to use is for my Natural Eyes palette, Cashmere Bunny, which is this shade right here as my all over transition shade in my crease. I'm just going to be using back and forth sweeping motions. Just like that. The second thing I'm going to take is from the Zulu palette. I'm going to take the dark brown shade right here, and I'm going to focus this kind of in the outer corner all the way to the middle of the crease. And if y'all can hear my fan, I'm sorry. I did turn it down a little bit, but it is warm in here, so gotta have that. Okay, now what I'm going to do is use some concealer and cut my crease just a little bit. And kind of did a slight cut crease, more so just applying the concealer to make the eyeshadow really stand out. So I'm going to be taking my LA Girl Pro Conceal, and this is the shade Cool Tan. And I'm going to be using a little angled brush like this, just because I find it easy to really apply the concealer right where I need it to go, especially with this slanted tip like that. And just getting a little bit on the brush, don't need too much of it at all. You can add more as needed, but I think it's better to just start with a little bit and then build it up. Okay, so now I'm just going to take this and kind of focusing more on the inner corner and bringing it up. And I like to pat it, kind of starting out, just so it kind of stays right where I want it to go. So if you guys can see that, I'm trying to make sure. I'm trying to just focus it right in the crease, so you can kind of look down, so it goes ahead and kind of marks that spot for you where your natural eye crease is, if you can see that. Just patting it into place, and I'm gonna just keep it right here, so from the inner corner to the center of the lid, and then I'll kind of just fade it out. So yeah, I just kind of faded it out right past my pupil. So just kind of I'm going to make it kind of like a gradient look. Okay. So now that I've done that, I'm going to go back into my Juvia's Place palette, and I'm going to be taking a little small like shadow smudge brush. Okay. And I'm going to be picking up the bright yellow shade right here. It's coming up kind of highlighter yellow right now on camera, but it's kind of like a golden yellow color. So I'm just going to go into that. Tap off the extra. I'm just going to pat this onto the inner corner part of my lid. And you want to pat this in packing motions. Well, pack this in patting motions. And then I just kind of stop it right there. Now I'm going to flip the brush over to the other side. I'm going to take the bright orange color, which looks like this. I'm going to take this into the middle, or the center part of my lid. And just kind of blend it in the center as you go. Now I'm going to go back with the blending brush that I use, this one right here. And I'm going to go back to the brown shade. Just get a little bit on your brush. And what we're going to do is just kind of blend it on the outer corner just so it looks more seamless. And you can also bring it across just to make sure those colors are blended in with your crease color as well. And then if you need to go back in and touch up any of the colors, you can do that too. Because you know, sometimes as you're blending, you do lose some vibrancy of the colors. So just to touch them up again. Okay. And next I'm going to take my little inner corner brush. I'm not sure what to call this end of the brush, but this is like an Urban Decay dual-ended brush. I'm going to go into the Rose Gold Shimmery shade right here in the Zulu palette. And this is going to be my inner corner highlight. And now to finish up the eye look underneath, just going to go back with that shader brush and taking the dark brown shade here and focusing it on the lower lash line. So from the outer until maybe about halfway. And then you can also go back with that shimmery rose gold color. And this palette doesn't have names. I wish it kind of had names so I could tell you guys the names of the shadows that I'm using, but I'm going to be using the shimmery color color again, just for right here. Then I'm also going to go back in with the orange, and I'm going to pop that right in this portion. Okay, and now I'm also going to highlight my brow bone. I didn't do that on the right side yet. I didn't do it here. So I'm going to go ahead and do that for both eyes. I'm going to be taking Honey Pot from my Too Faced Natural Eyes palette. It's this color right here. And I'm going to just use that little shader brush again. I wiped it off from the previous shadows that I used. So I'm just going to pop this right in here. And you can blend that out. I'm going to take the blending side of that Urban Decay brush and just sweep over it really good so it doesn't look too harsh on the skin. So now I'm just going to go ahead and do my liner and my lashes off camera, and I'll be right back. Hey guys, so I'm back. I applied my lash to this side as well as my winged eyeliner. So now both eyes look the same. I also went ahead and applied some highlight, but I did that off camera because I was afraid that it would get too messy to do it right here. So I did it in the bathroom. But this is the highlight that I'm using. It's by Amuse Cosmetics, and it's their illuminating loose powder. It's super pretty. Like, it's like a rose gold shimmery color. The color is called Whimsical. So I can try to open it for y'all and just show you what the color looks like, if you guys can see it. So yeah, this is the color, but yeah, I was trying not to make a mess in here, so I did it in the bathroom. And the lashes that I'm wearing are by Cara Beauty, this brand right here, and it says on the packaging 100% human hair, and this is their de-wispy style in black. So these are the lashes. Really nice, and these were super easy to apply. Yeah, I really like these lashes. Very, like, this is the style that I like to wear if I do wear lashes, or the style that I tend to gravitate towards is like the ones that are a little more flared on the ends. So yeah, these and the powder both came from the same place. I went to like a big makeup sale and they had these products there. So yeah, it was, I don't know, it's called makeup blowout sale or blowout makeup sale, something like that. But I found out about the event on Facebook, and I think they travel around the US. So if I can find out any information on these products or that company, I will tag it down below. I will also make sure I tag all the products that I used in this video down below as well. Also, the lip combo that I'm wearing is this right here. My lip liner is by Jordana, and it's their Easy Liner for Lips in the color Coco Loco. This is one of my favorite brown lip liners. The lipstick that I used is by Makeup Revolution, and the color is Wishful. It's just a really pretty nude shade. This was actually on sale for like $2.39, I believe, at Ulta. So I picked up a couple of these. But yeah, this is the color I have on my lips right now, and I just topped that. Can't talk. So this is the color that I have on my lips right now, and I just topped that all with my Fenty Beauty Gloss Bomb in Fenty Glow. So yeah, all those products will be listed down in the description box. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please make sure that you turn on notifications, that you subscribe, that you like and share. Also, if you guys are interested in seeing how I DIY'd this band tee, I will link it in the description box below as well. Thank you guys so much for watching, and please stay tuned for more videos. Bye.